I... What are you doing? You're looking for your monster. Call him. Did you look on the couch? What's that? Can you hold it up so I can see? Turn it around. I can't see. I don't want to see the back. Turn it around like this. Who made that? Dad? Did somebody help Dad? Did Kaylee do it too? Can you tell me what that is again? What is this? Good job.